Adiós.
Adiós.
Adiós. Stop saying adiós all the time.
When you first start learning Spanish, one of the first words you learn is adiós for goodbye. And because of that, you end up using it for every goodbye. Let's be clear, there's nothing wrong with saying it, but think about it. In English, do you always say goodbye? No. See you later. See you tomorrow. Take care. Have a good day. Let's broaden your vocabulary with what native speakers actually use. There's lots of different expressions too, depending on the situation. So, mix it up a bit and you will be sounding like a native in no time. We will have a mini quiz at the end, so stick around. Vamos!
We say goodbye to our friends and family a lot, and we know that we are most likely going to see them again very soon, maybe in the same week. So say hasta el, then the day of the week. Ready? Hasta el lunes, hasta el martes, hasta el miércoles, hasta el jueves, hasta el viernes, hasta el sábado, hasta el domingo, hasta luego. If you know your days of the week, great. But if you don't, check out our Twintastic Days of the Week song. Did you notice we said hasta luego? This means see you later. I say this all the time to you. Yeah, only because I know I'm seeing you later. Yeah, it's very common to say when leaving your friends, a shop, work, or a casual conversation. Hasta means until. So we are basically saying until next time, until later. In Spanish, there are a couple more ways to say goodbye using the word hasta. Clase mañana. Sí. Hasta mañana. Hasta mañana. See you tomorrow. Hasta mañana. Hasta pronto. See you soon. Perfect for when you will probably meet again fairly soon. Hasta pronto. So you can say it if you've just had a day out with your sister, brother, or friends, and you're just saying goodbye.
Bueno, me tengo que ir. Hasta la próxima. Hasta la próxima means until next time. You use this when you're saying goodbye and may or may not see the person again. You're unsure. You don't know exactly when. It's like saying until next time in English, after a class or a meeting, after seeing a friend, maybe at the end of a video. So subscribe to our channel so we do see each other again.
If you want something warm and friendly, just say cuídate. It means to take care. Use this when your friend is going off travelling, or someone you know is sick, or you're not going to see someone for quite some time. Esta semana tengo 3 exámenes. Oh, cuídate. Necesito algo más que eso, un milagro. Oh, buena suerte. Me siento mal. ¿Estás bien? No, estoy enferma. Cuídate. Gracias. It's always nice to tell someone to have a good day. It's a polite exit. Que tengas un buen día. Have a good day. Also, this is a great customer service phrase, like when you're out getting coffee, shopping, or just grabbing milk from your local shop. There's always que tengas buena tarde. Have a good afternoon. Or have a good week. Que tengas buena semana. Next up, our favourite one. Ciao! We use this one all the time.
Ciao for now.
Ciao for now. Ciao for now. Ciao for now. Ciao for now. Ciao for now. Ciao for now. I went to Entonces, ¿quedamos a las 6? Sí, a las 6 delante del cine. Perfecto. Tengo que irme ya. Vale. Ya hablamos. Ya hablamos. Talk to you later. It's a very natural way to end a conversation when you've made plans. You'll probably message each other later, or you'll speak or see each other again soon, like we do. Ya hablamos. People seem to forget this one. Buenas noches. Good night. Simple. Use it when you wish someone a nice evening or you're calling it a night, leaving somewhere for the evening. The nightlife is done. Buenas noches. How many times in English do you say, see ya? Well, in Spanish, we say, nos vemos, see you, or nos vemos pronto, see you soon. And there's always, nos vemos luego, see you later. They are all easy to remember. Bueno, me voy, no me esperes despierta, pasalo bien. Pasalo bien means have fun. Use this when your friend or family member has plans to do something fun. Did you notice Casey saying me voy? Me voy, me voy. Me voy literally means I'm leaving or I'm off. You see, it's used when you're about to leave. Maybe a friend's house, school, work, heading home after an event, or even ending a phone call. Twin tip! Me voy isn't a goodbye itself. It's a way of saying you're leaving. Native speakers often follow it with a farewell, such as me voy, nos vemos. Me voy, hasta luego. Vale, now you know how to say goodbye like a Spanish native without saying adiós. Now, test yourself. Mini quiz. You can always pause the video if you need more time. Vamos! You're leaving work and you will see your colleague later today. Which goodbye fits best? A. Hasta mañana. B. Hasta luego. C. Buenas noches. B. Hasta luego. See you later. It's 10 p.m. and you're heading off to bed. Which goodbye fits best? A. Nos vemos. B. Ciao. C. Buenas noches. C. Buenas noches. Good night. You've just finished your lesson and don't know exactly when you will see the teacher again. Which goodbye fits best? A. Hasta la próxima. B. Me voy. C. Y hablamos. A. Hasta la próxima. Until next time. You're saying goodbye to a friend and you want to tell them to take care. What do you say? A. Hasta pronto. B. Pasalo bien. C. Cuídate. C. Cuídate. Take care. You expect to see someone again very soon. What do you say? A. Ciao. B. Hasta pronto. C. Que tengas un buen día. B. Hasta pronto. See you soon. How well did you do? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Check out our other channels on YouTube, TikTok and Instagram as Twintastic Learning and Reflected Genetics, and we will see you next time. Ciao for now!